A quality Nanopolix car scratch remover restores paint, reduces visible scratches, enhances shine, protects your vehicle's finish, and improves overall appearance. My today's video is about top 5 best Nanopolix car scratch remover that are available in the market. If you want to know price and more information about the products that mentioned in this video, you may check the link in description box below. So now let's get started. Starting at Menzerna Deep Scratch Remover Kit. The Menzerna Heavy Cut Compound 1000 is an excellent solution for restoring paintwork with noticeable scratches, oxidation, swirl marks, and other surface imperfections. Its aggressive cutting formula removes defects quickly while preparing the surface for a smoother, glossier finish. Whether applied with an orbital polisher, rotary machine, or by hand for precise touch-ups, it delivers consistent and professional quality results. Paired with the Menzerna Red Heavy Cut Foam Pad, the compound maximizes polishing efficiency. The pad's durable open-cell foam design improves airflow, minimizes heat buildup, and ensures even polish distribution for safer, more effective correction. Its strong Velcro backing allows quick pad changes, while the washable construction provides long-lasting performance across multiple detailing sessions. Ideal for automotive enthusiasts and professional detailers alike, this polishing system restores clarity, eliminates holograms and moderate paint defects, and leaves your vehicle with a smooth, refreshed appearance. It's a dependable choice for achieving showroom-quality paint correction and long-lasting shine. Now our second product is Nanopolix Car Scratch Remover. This car scratch remover paste is a practical solution for eliminating minor scratches, swirl marks, and light paint imperfections without expensive body shop visits. Its advanced polishing formula works quickly to improve the appearance of your vehicle while restoring a smoother, glossier finish. The included repair cloth and sponge make the process straightforward, allowing both beginners and experienced car owners to achieve impressive results with minimal effort. Designed to be gentle on clear coats and most automotive paint finishes, the formula removes surface blemishes without causing additional damage. It enhances paint clarity and shine, making it an excellent choice for routine detailing and touch-ups. The easy application process requires only cleaning the affected area, applying the paste, gently polishing in circular motions, and wiping away the residue. Suitable for cars, SUVs, motorcycles, and other painted vehicles, this versatile repair kit is ideal for maintaining your vehicle's appearance and keeping its paint looking clean, polished, and well cared for. Our third product is Carfidence Scratch Repair and Swirl Remover. This scratch and swirl remover kit is an effective paint restoration solution for eliminating light scratches, swirl marks, water spots, oxidation, and other surface imperfections. Its professional-grade polishing compound works with the included buffer pad to restore smoothness while enhancing the overall appearance of your vehicle. With consistent use, dull and worn paint regains a cleaner, glossier finish that closely resembles its original shine. The advanced formula is designed to be safe for all automotive paint colors and finishes, including clear coat, single-stage, and multi-stage paint systems. It removes surface defects without unnecessary dyes or harsh additives, making it suitable for routine detailing and paint maintenance. Easy enough for beginners yet effective enough for experienced detailers, this kit delivers reliable results with minimal effort. Whether you're refreshing an older vehicle or maintaining a newer one, it offers a convenient and affordable way to improve paint clarity, restore brilliance, and keep your car looking well cared for between professional detailing sessions. Now number 4, Papalula Car Cloth Scratch Remover. This nano sparkle cloth car scratch remover kit offers a fast and convenient way to reduce the appearance of light scratches, scuffs, and swirl marks without the cost of professional detailing. Its advanced polishing cream works with the included nano sparkle cloths to smooth minor paint imperfections while restoring a cleaner, glossier finish. The simple application process makes it suitable for both beginners and experienced car owners. Beyond scratch repair, the formula enhances paint clarity and leaves behind a protective layer that helps maintain shine and improve the vehicle's overall appearance. It is designed to be gentle on the original paint, making it a practical choice for routine cosmetic maintenance. Compatible with virtually all vehicle colors and paint types, this versatile kit can be used on cars, SUVs, and other painted vehicles. For best results, the treated surface should be clean and free of wax or paint protection coatings. Overall, it is a reliable solution for keeping your vehicle looking polished, refreshed, and well maintained. And our last choice is Hutwo Car Scratch Remover. This nanotechnology car scratch repair kit is an effective solution for restoring your vehicle's appearance by reducing light scratches, swirl marks, oxidation, water spots, and other minor paint imperfections. Its advanced polishing formula improves paint clarity while preserving the original finish, leaving surfaces smoother and noticeably brighter. Designed for convenience, the kit requires no polishing machines or specialized tools. Simply wipe the affected area using gentle circular motions to achieve quick touch-ups at home or in your garage. The easy application makes it suitable for both beginners and experienced detailing enthusiasts. Safe for gloss, matte, and metallic paint finishes, this versatile scratch remover works on cars, trucks, motorcycles, boats, and many other painted vehicles. It can also be used on stainless steel, ceramic, and glass surfaces to remove light scuffs and restore shine. The 6 individually wrapped, reusable nano-polishing cloths maintain their effectiveness when properly resealed, providing excellent value for multiple detailing sessions. It's a practical addition to any vehicle maintenance kit for keeping surfaces clean, polished, and well maintained. So what do you think about this video? If you think this video is really helpful to take your decision easier, kindly subscribe our channel and click the bell icon to notify our upcoming video. Thank you for watching this video.